Good morning, students. How are you? Great. Today, I will teach you computer subject. Are you like computer subject? Very good. Before I will start the chapter, I will ask some question from you.
Question 1 is, which type of network used in school? A. WAN, B. LAN, C. MAN. Which one is correct? Yes, the answer is LAN. Second question is, which one is the example of wireless network? First option is USB, second LAN, third Wi-Fi. Which one is correct? Yes, answer is Wi-Fi. Question third is, can computers share data with multiple devices at a time? Correct answer is yes.
So, let's learn how computers are sharing data with other computers or devices and which technologies are used for sharing data. The chapter name is Network Topology.
Network. A network is a collection of computers, servers, peripherals or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. Next is topology. Topology refers to arrangement of computers on a network. So, the network topology is a layout of network. Network topology is basically two types. First is physical topology, second is logical topology. Type of topology. There are main 6 types of topology. Bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh topology and hybrid topology. When computers are connected with a single cable and share data, this is called bus topology. Computers are connected to a central cable called the bus. The bus or cable enhance the backbone of a network. There are some advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. Advantages: it is easy to set up. Computer can be easily connected to a bus. If any nodes of the network fails, it does not affect the entire network. Disadvantages: if there is a fault in a main cable, the entire network may shut down, perform well in only for a limited number of computers. Move on next topology. When computers are connected to a central wiring point such as hub or switch, this is called the star topology. In a star topology, all computers are connected by a cable to a central devices are called hub or switch. The hub or switch controls all the function of the network. Some advantages of star topology are add or remove nodes easily, breakdown of one node does not affect any other device on the network, easy to install and wire. Disadvantages are it is required more cabling than some other topology. Failure if the central node, hub or switch disable communication throughout the whole network. Let's move on next topology. When computers are arranged in a ring structure and each are connected other computer is called ring topology. In ring topology, all the computers are connected together in a closed circle like a ring. Data travels only in a one direction. Advantages of ring topologies are all computers have equal access to the network, control high volume of traffic, provide good communication over long distance. Disadvantages are require the more complicated control software. Failures of one node result the failures of the entire network. The entire network gets disturbed when any computer is added or removed. Topology is mesh topology. Every node on a network is connected to all the other nodes on a network. This arrangement makes it a very stable network. Advantages of mesh topology are it has multiple links, so if one route is blocked, then other routes can be used for data communication. It has point-to-point links which makes fault identification easily. Disadvantages are this topology is expensive as it uses more cabling than other topologies. This topology is difficult to install. This topology has a mesh of which can be difficult to manage. Next topology is tree topology. A tree topology is combination of bus and star topologies. In its topology, group of star topology networks are formed which are connected to a Advantages of tree topology are it provides point-to-point wiring for individual segments. It is used for expansion of an existing network. Disadvantages are in this topology, overall length of each segment is limited by a type of cabling used. If the backbone line break, the entire segment goes down. Next and last topology is hybrid topology. A combination of two or more topologies make a hybrid topology. For example, star ring network and star bus network. Advantages of hybrid topology are this topology is very flexible. It is easy to increase the size of network by adding new components without disturbing the nodes. Disadvantages are this topology is difficult to manage because different topologies are combined together. It is very expensive to maintain.
These are the 6 topologies. I hope you all have understood well. Now it's time to test your knowledge that you have gained so far.
Question 1 is in which topology computers are connected through hub or switch? Option A ring topology, option B star topology, option C bus topology. Which one is correct? Yes, the answer is star topology. Question 2. Dash topology is the combination of two or more topologies. Option are star topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology. Tell the answer. Yes, the right answer is C, hybrid topology. Question 3. Identify this topology. Yes, the answer is ring topology. Question 4. In dash topology, computers are connected by single cable. Options are bus topology, tree topology, ring topology. Which one is correct? Yes, the answer is bus topology. Question 5. Dash refers to the arrangement of computers. Options are network, topology, protocol. Which one is correct? Yes, the answer is topology.